Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, get ready because we're testing something really exciting. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete, a robot vacuum that looks like it came straight out of the future. It's sleek, advanced, and honestly, at first glance, you'd think it's from another planet. But don't worry, it's very real, and we're going to dive deep into what makes it so impressive. This video is going to cover everything. What's in the box, how it performs, and all the smart features that make it stand out. Now, Mova also sells a regular version called the V50, but this one here is the Ultra Complete model. Why Ultra Complete? Well, because it literally comes with everything you could possibly need. They've packed in a ton of accessories and extras that make it a complete package. On top of that, you get a bonus box of consumables worth around $250. That means replacement parts like filters, brushes, and mop pads, the stuff you'll eventually need to swap out. And honestly, buying those parts later can get expensive, so having them included is a huge plus. Basically, you're set for months, maybe even a year or more before you need to buy anything else. Inside the box, you'll find a double roller brush, and there's another one already built inside the robot to boost its cleaning performance. There are also 3 extra HEPA filters, even though one is already installed. That's great for people with pets or allergies, since HEPA filters trap fine dust and dander. You also get 2 bottles of cleaning solution, and I'll explain in a moment why there are 2 instead of 1. Then there's a generous supply of dust bags and mop pads. Seriously, they give you so many you could probably run this robot for months before running out. And that's not all. You've got 2 side brushes, some extra mop pads, the power cable, and of course, all your manuals. Now here's something that surprised me. This robot is incredibly maneuverable. It even has an extra wheel built into its design. And you'll see why that matters a little later. I actually spent a few minutes just playing with how it moves around because it glides so smoothly and turns with precision. But let's not waste time. Let's jump straight into its first standout feature. This thing can climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters high, which is seriously impressive. Most robot vacuums can only manage around 4 centimeters before they get stuck. Only one of the vacuums I've tested recently has done anything close to that. Now what's cool is watching how it figures it out. It'll approach the obstacle, kind of think for a second, turn around a bit to assess, and then just go for it. Lifts itself and climbs right over. You can actually see its little suspension system working. That's where that extra wheel comes into play, helping it absorb the bump smoothly. After that demonstration of strength, let's get back to the basics. Suction power. This machine delivers a massive 24,000 pascals of suction. That's the most powerful robot vacuum I've personally tested. Now, to be honest, once you're above 12,000 pascals, the difference on hard floors isn't huge, but it definitely makes a difference when you're dealing with carpets, corners, or heavy messes. For my test, I really pushed it. I threw down a ridiculous amount of dust, big clumps that you'd never realistically have in your home. It picked up most of it right away, but if you ran your hand across the floor afterward, you could still feel a little fine dust. That's totally normal in an extreme test like this. In real, everyday cleaning, where you run it once a day or every other day, it'll easily keep your floors spotless. After the second pass, it left the floor completely clean, both visually and to the touch. Now, one thing that's brand new to me, and a first on a robot vacuum, is that this model actually supports 2 cleaning solutions. When you open the top, you'll see space for cleaning liquids. But instead of mixing them in the water tank, there are 2 separate compartments, labeled A and B. A is for your everyday cleaning solution. Think regular dirt, dust, or spills. B is for something stronger, perfect for homes with pets or areas that need odor control. You can fill both tanks and then choose which one to use directly from the app. It's super practical and customizable. Speaking of tanks, let's talk about those. The clean water tank holds 600 milliliters. Which is pretty generous, and it feeds the robot automatically during cleaning. There's even an anti-limescale filter built in, which helps prevent mineral buildup if your tap water is hard. That's a thoughtful touch that'll extend the life of the system. Another feature I absolutely loved, the voice assistant. You can literally talk to it, say, "Clean here," and it'll respond with something like, "Okay, I'll finish my task and come clean. Please don't move while I locate you." And then, it actually comes to find you and cleans right where you're standing. It's a little wild how accurately it works, as long as you're within about 5 meters. When it comes to mopping, the robot's pretty smart too. You can set it to avoid specific spots. Super useful if you have pets and want to make sure it doesn't accidentally run over a mess. You can also control the water flow from the app. On maximum, it actually uses a good amount, much more than most robot mops that barely get the floor damp. The mop pads also extend outwards to reach edges, and the side brush does the same, helping it clean right up to walls and corners. Another clever detail, the LiDAR sensor on top actually retracts. That means if it needs to get under low furniture, it lowers itself, then pops back up afterward. It's like it's ducking under the couch to make sure no dust escapes. For obstacle detection, this thing is a beast. I tested it with transparent objects, which usually confuse robots, and it avoided them perfectly, without even touching them. Just a few millimeters away, it recognized and navigated around. It also avoids small things like remote controls and even cables. I tried both thin and thick wires, and it saw them and went around without tangling. That's rare. Of course, lighting and angles can affect it a bit, so it's not 100% foolproof, but still, really impressive. Here's something really cool. It actually cleans with hot water. That helps with stubborn, greasy stains like ketchup or mayonnaise. You can turn the hot water mode on or off in the app, depending on what you're cleaning. The water cools a little before reaching the floor, but even warm water makes a big difference. Now, about the mop pads. I personally prefer rotating ones like these because they scrub better. But one downside is that they can spread a stain a bit before fully cleaning it. For example, with ketchup, you might see it smear slightly before it disappears. Still, after a few passes, it's totally gone. In one of my tests, I had a small spot left over, but it turned out not to be ketchup at all, just some fine dust that didn't get vacuumed because I was in mop-only mode. Once I switched to suction, it disappeared instantly. The result? A perfectly clean floor. And that's why multiple cleaning passes make such a big difference. After one round, the mop pads were pretty dirty, but after the self-cleaning and drying cycle, they came out looking great again. Speaking of that, the base station does a great job of cleaning itself. It doesn't have a removable tray, which would have been nice, but it still rinses out and maintains itself well. I've been using it for several days and it's holding up perfectly. If you've got pets, this robot is going to make your life easier. It handles fur effortlessly, even on carpets. That's where those 24,000 pascals of suction really shine. I tested it with a bunch of pet hair, and the anti-tangling system worked perfectly. The dual rollers prevent hair from wrapping, even long ones. Even the wheels have mini self-cleaning brushes, which is such a clever detail. After a few days of heavy testing, the main brush still looked brand new. On carpets, it did an amazing job. 2 passes and everything looked perfect. It struggled a little with very fine dust, like flour, but honestly, all robot vacuums do. For mopping, the pads spin at 260 rotations per minute, which is strong enough for daily maintenance. For deeper, dried-on stains, you might still want to scrub manually, but for regular cleaning, it's more than enough. And get this, it even has a built-in surveillance camera. You can use it to check on pets, patrol your house, take photos, record videos, and even talk through the built-in speaker. It's not exactly discreet though. It keeps saying surveillance camera active every 20 seconds, which can get a little repetitive. When it rolls onto carpets, it automatically lifts its mop pads, so your rugs stay dry. Simple, smart, and effective. Now the app, like the name,